Dear students, in the chapter Simple Equations of 7th standard class, in the previous class we studied how to solve the given equation by shifting method. In the exercise 4.3, that is exercise 4.3. In this we studied only the first main question, that means we solved the first main, some examples. Today we shall move on to the next main, that is second one. So I will rub this one because I want some more space. So I will write here class 7 exercise 4.3. So second one, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. In that one, I will take first one, that is 2 times of x plus 4 is equal to 12. So for this one, write solution. 2 times of x plus 4 is equal to 12. So bracket means this belongs to one term and this is one term. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್? Or these two terms x plus 4 and 2 is separated by plus or minus sign? No. So multiplication is separate agide. So then we should first shift these two. That is x plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2 because multiplication is alva. Yes. Then x plus 4 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Then we have to find the value of this x. Then x is equal to plus 6 shift, that is 6 minus 4. The answer is x is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Very simple. First simply shifting these two. This is in multiplication, goes to denominator. Then x plus 4 will be there. First to plus 4 na shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That goes to RHS side means that plus 4 become minus 4. Then x is equal to 6 minus 4 means x is equal to 2. Next, second one example. I will take B as example. 3 times of n minus 5 is equal to 21. So I think you are already studied in your integers chapter. Once again that concept comes here also. Solution. 3 times of n minus 5 is equal to 21. So these are the two terms. Here 3 is one term, n minus 1 is also one term because this is a bracket. So first we have to shift this 3. That's become n minus 5 is equal to, so multiplication alidande RHS side hodre that goes to denominator, that's become 3, that goes to denominator. N minus 5 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So n minus 5 is equal to 7. Next we have to shift this minus 5, then that's become n is equal to 7. This minus 5, if you shift from LHS side to the RHS side, this minus 5 become plus 5, that is 7 plus 5. That is n is equal to 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 3 is 10, remaining plus 2 is 10 plus 2, that's become 12. Okay, first is multiplication will be there, we should shift this 3, so multiplication goes to denominator, that is division. If you divide from 3 tables, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Therefore, n minus 5 is equal to 7. Then we have to find the value of this n. So we don't want this minus 5. we have to shift this minus 5 from LHS side to RHS side. Then this minus 5 become plus 5. Therefore, n is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. Once again, one more problem. I will have this one. Third one. So I will take last one as example. E. 4 times of 2 minus x is equal to 8. 4 times of 2 minus x is equal to 8. So here, for the x, negative sign will be there. Don't think about that. We shall discuss in the next one. We are going to solve the problem. 4 times of 2 minus x is equal to 8. Then first we have to shift this 4 because of multiplication between this term and this term. This 4 goes to denominator. Therefore, 2 minus x is equal to 8 by 4. Then 2 minus x is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That's become 2. So minus x is equal to 2. This plus 2 goes to from the LHS side to RHS side means that's become minus 2. Therefore, minus x is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. So we want the variable value always variable in positive sign. We don't want in negative sign. That's why we have to shift this minus 1. Then that become x is equal to minus 0 or x is equal to 0. Okay. In the one problem discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next one. So I will take D1 minus 4 2 plus x is equal to 8. Minus 4 2 plus x is equal to 8. ಇದು one term, okay? But ಇದು one term. First ಇದು ಇವೆರಡು ಮತ್ತೆ into symbol ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? First we have to shift this minus 4. So multiplication and ಎರಡು separate ಆಗಿದೆ. This minus 4 goes to denominator. No, one by one. Step by step. Okay. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Then 2 plus x is equal to 8 by minus 4. Then 2 plus x is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That's become minus 2. Then x is equal to, so here we want or we should find the value of x. That means solve the following equation means we should find the value of this x. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 from LHS side shifted to the RHS side means that's become minus 2. Then x is equal to, this is the numbers here, this is 0, positive, 1 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First minus 2 means we should move on to our left side. That is 1, 2. This is minus 2. One more minus 2 means once again we should shift 2 numbers. 1, 2. So minus 2 answer is equal to minus 4. So final answer is minus 4. Okay. So remaining 2 problems will be there. That's for your homework. At the end I will give. Okay. Yes. Oh sorry, only one problem will be there for your homework. 4 I have already solved. Rub this one. Second one is over. Then we should move on to the third one. Solve the following equation. Once again they are repeated same thing. So third one. But problem is somewhat different. Solve the following equations. Same thing, dear students, we should shift from multiplication to the division, and division to the multiplication, addition to the subtraction, and subtraction to the addition. Well, from LHS side to the RHS side. So here also they given A. First problem, 4 is equal to 5 times of P minus 2. One clue will be there, dear students. So first I will write the solution. 4 is equal to 5 times of P minus 2. Yes, alva. So here we have to solve the equation is we have to find the value of unknown variable. So in the previous problem we are shifted from this LHS side to the RHS side. In this problem the unknown variable is in which side? RHS side. So we should shift these numbers from RHS side to the LHS side. So same shifting method, sign will be changes, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. Same method, but we are shifting from this RHS side to the LHS side. One by one. Into alva. First we should shift this 5. Yes. 4 by 5 is equal to P minus 2. Then 4 by 5, this minus 2 from RHS side to LHS side, minus 2 become plus 2 is equal to P. Sir, this is the final answer? No, this is not a final answer. So we should find the LCM for these two. Denominator will be 5 and 1. So 5 and 1 will be there. 5 ones are 5. Next one. LCM is 5 into 1 into 1, that is 5. Next, ನೋಡಿ LCM ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. From here problem is very important. 4 by 5 into LCM is 5 plus 2 by 1 into 5 is equal to P. So just what we get LCM, ಅದನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ each time. Whole divided by 5. 5 ones are 4 into 1 plus 1 ones are 1 5s are 2 into 5 is equal to P. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to P. 10 plus 4 is 14 is equal to P. Therefore, the value of P is 14, or you should write like this: P is equal to 14. But don't forget this one; it's very important, finding the LCM. So maybe the next class I will once again repeat how to find the LCM and HCF for the given number. You already studied in your 6th standard. Yes, tomorrow I will repeat once again. So first we should discuss these problems, how to solve this one. So next one. Yes, I will take E. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 times of m minus 6. So dear students, here one variable will be there. After that plus will be there. After that another term will be there. Alva? So first plus alliroda shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes sir. So solution 16. First I will write as it is. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 times of m minus 6. Same shifting method. First we should shift this plus 16. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ that's become minus 16. ಅಲ್ವಾ? Plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ from RHS side to LHS side, or from LHS side to the RHS side. Shift ಆದರೆ plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division become multiplication. 4 times of m minus 6. Next, these two in multiplication ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Next is 16/4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is equal to m minus 6. Yes? Yes, very good. Next, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Minus 4 is the answer. That is minus 4 is equal to, remaining is in the bracket m minus 6. In this one, we have to find the value of this unknown variable. Then we don't want this minus 6. So we should shift from RHS side to LHS side. That become minus 4 plus 6 is equal to m. So again and again integer concept because it's already comes in your first chapter, your 7th standard also and also 6th standard. Once again repeated. So simple idea 1 plus 1 minus will be there. We should or you should subtract from bigger number to the smaller number, and then you should put the sign of the number which the number is the greatest number. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸೈನ್ ನೀವು ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್. That is equal to m. Therefore m is equal to 2. Okay. Yes. Next, one more problem I will show. Sir, ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? No, very simple idea will be there. So first we have to you should practice how to shift from RHS side to the LHS side. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. RHS side ಇಂದ LHS side ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 times of t plus 2. So equal sign means ಎರಡು equal alva. So I will write like this. Equal 4 plus 3 times of t plus 2 is equal to 16. Equal LHS side goes to RHS side and RHS side goes to LHS side. Nothing will be happening. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Then it is easy to simplify alva. First we should shift this one. These two are separated by a plus sign. Yeah, plus will be there. First we should shift this plus 4. That's become 3 of t plus 2 is equal to 16/4. Correct? Ragri plus sign ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? That goes to the next to the number. Then that's become 16 minus 4. Then 3 times of t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4 means 12. So next these two are separated by the multiplication symbol. So we should shift this 3. That's become t plus 2 is equal to 12/3. That is t plus 2 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Then the value of t plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we have to find the value of this t. Therefore we should shift this plus 2 from LHS side to the RHS side. Then that become, I will show here, t plus 2 is equal to 4. Then t is equal to 4 plus 2 from LHS to RHS side means that's become minus 2. T is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. It's very easy. So simply first to RHS side to LHS side to shift ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, then LHS side to RHS side shift ಮಾಡಿ unknown variable value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ LHS side RHS side ಬರೆದ್ರೆ R from RHS side values are written in LHS side. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ the value will be same, nothing will be changes. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು unknown variables ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅದನ್ನ LHS ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ RHS ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ. D. (34) is equal to 4 plus 5 times of P minus 1. Dear students, here variable is in RHS side. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು equation LHS side ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, I will write in LHS side. Nothing will be happen. The values will be same. First, this is 1, this is 1 alwa. These two are separated by plus sign. 4 in kade ಏನು sign ಇಲ್ಲ, that is plus. So first we should shift this plus 4. That's become 5 times of P minus 1 is equal to 34. Today plus and the plus and separate ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ if you shift the number from LHS side to the RHS side, that goes to the next number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ number next number ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ by changing the sign. Plus 4 become minus 4. Then 5 times of P minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. Next, these two numbers are combined with the multiplication symbol. This is one term, this is one term. 5 into P minus 1 is 5 of P minus 1. So first we should shift this 5. Then P minus 1 is equal to 30. No, multiplication that goes to denominator means division. Then P minus 1 is equal to divide. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. P minus 1 is equal to 6. Then I will write here P minus 1 is equal to 6 means P is equal to minus 1 equal to 6 plus 1. So the unknown variable value is 6 plus 1 is 7. So the meaning is, what is the meaning of this one? Very simple. If you substitute the value of P is equal to 7. P is equal to 7 if you ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 34 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I will give two examples for each one, second one and third one. You should try that one. Okay, yes. For the second one, homework. See what corner. 3 times of n minus 5 is equal to 21. First you should shift this one. Next n minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ನ shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next third one. D minus 4 is equal to 5 times of P minus 2. In this one, what you should do means first you should write this RHS side value in LHS side and minus 4 in RHS side and then solve the equation. These are the two examples for your homework, and remaining are the problems we already solved in this exercise 4.3. Okay, thank you students.